Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious falafel with a creamy hummus dip. We'll start by preparing the falafel mixture, ensuring it's perfectly seasoned and ready for frying. Then, we'll move on to crafting a smooth, flavorful hummus from scratch, using simple, fresh ingredients. Finally, I'll share some wonderful serving suggestions so you can enjoy your homemade meal to the fullest. Get ready for a truly satisfying culinary adventure. To make our crispy falafel, begin by soaking 1 cup of dried chickpeas overnight. This is crucial for the right texture. Next, blend them with fresh herbs like parsley and cilantro, along with aromatic spices such as cumin and coriander. Form the mixture into small, uniform patties or balls, about 1.5 inches in diameter. Then, fry them in oil heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit until they are golden brown and wonderfully crisp. This ensures a perfect bite every time. Now, let's create that irresistible creamy hummus. Start with 1 can of cooked chickpeas, thoroughly drained and rinsed. Combine them in a food processor with 1/4 cup of rich tahini paste and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice for a bright, zesty flavor. Add 1 clove of garlic and a dash of good quality olive oil. Process everything until it's incredibly smooth, adding a little water if needed to achieve your desired consistency. It's surprisingly simple. Finally, it's time to enjoy your culinary creations. Serve the hot, crispy falafel alongside your freshly made, smooth hummus. For an extra touch, garnish the hummus with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of paprika. These falafel are absolutely delicious tucked into warm pita bread with fresh vegetables like tomatoes and cucumbers. This homemade falafel and hummus combination offers a truly satisfying and flavorful experience that everyone will love. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.